Hello, welcome to Binance Peer-to-Peer. Today we are going to learn how to transfer fund, adding payment method, post an advertisement, and the last one will be sharing crypto with Tanzanian sharing. Transferring a fund, focusing on P2P on Binance, your coins must be transferred from other wallet to funding wallet. So if you want to trade on P2P on Binance, your fund must be transferred from other wallet to funding wallet. For example, you can transfer funds from spot to funding wallet. Point to note, P2P on Binance support 7 token. The first one is called USDT, the other one is BUSD, the other one is BNB. We have Ethereum, we have BTC, we have Doge, and the last one is DAI. So these are 7 tokens that are supported by Binance on P2P, peer-to-peer. When transferring your coins from one wallet to another wallet, but focusing on P2P on Binance, if you want to trade on P2P, peer-to-peer on Binance, your fund must be transferred from other wallet to funding wallet. For example, you can transfer funds from spot wallet to funding wallet. Point to note, P2P on Binance support only 7 token currently. The first token is USDT, the other one is BUSD, the other one is BNB, the other one is Ethereum, the other one is BTC, the other one is Doge, and the last one is DAI token. So these are 7 tokens that are supported by Binance or Binance on Binance P2P. Okay, now if you want to transfer funds, you will have to open the app. Then on your right hand side down, you click on wallet. Then on top there is a menu with 3 important menus. We have deposit, withdraw, and transfer. So click on transfer. So you can transfer funds from spot wallet to other wallet, but in your case of P2P, you have to transfer funds from spot wallet to other wallet to funding wallet. So for example, if I want to transfer maybe USDT. So if I click here USDT, I have 293 USDT. So for example, if I want to transfer 100 USDT, so right here 100, then I will confirm the transfer. Once I confirm, now my fund will be transferred from spot wallet to funding wallet. So if I click here transfer, you'll find my token have been transferred. So if I come here on wallet, on top menu, we have spot wallet, funding, margin. The fifth one is called overview. If I click here on overview, I will have different portfolio here. The portfolio that I want to see is funding. So if I click here funding portfolio, you'll find my USDT have been transferred on funding wallet. The other categories that include adding payment method, posting advertisement, and selling or buying crypto with Tanzanian sharing, you must meet 2 important requirements. The first requirement, you must enable SMS authentication. To be able to trade on P2P, these are important requirements. So you must enable SMS authentication. The other requirement, you must complete KYC verification. KYC stands for Know Your Customer. So these are important requirements that you must do them before adding payment or posting advertisement to Binance P2P. Okay, now the other category is adding payment. How do you add payment on Binance P2P? So the first thing, you have to open the app. When the app is on a landing page or home page, you'll see a P2P trading. It says bank transfer, PayPal, Revolt, and more. So click on P2P trading. It will show you different agents who have posted their orders. Now downward we have 4 menu. We have the menu called home, we have orders, we have ads, and we have profile. So go to profile. On a profile you will see different information about your name. So click on payment method. Then on payment method downward there is a menu called add a payment method. Now click on add payment method. Now we're going to add another payment method. So we have different payment method here, but in our case, since we're in Tanzania, we have to use the payment that is supported in Tanzania. So on a search bar here I can write maybe Pesa, since our mobile payment, many of them they are known by the name Pesa. So if I write Pesa, I will see Tigo Pesa. This is used in Tanzania. We have M-Pesa also. It is also used in Tanzania. So if I click, maybe I want to use M-Pesa, I will be required to write my name. So I'll write here my name. My name is Hamis John. So I'll write here my name. Then I will have to write my Vodacom number. So it's 0769670658. So this is my number. Once I finish adding, I will have to click here confirm. So if you confirmation, you must confirm using the Google Authenticator or SMS Authenticator. So if I come here on my Authenticator, Binance Authenticator, I'll click here, then I will go to here, then I will paste, then I will submit. So simply this is how to add a payment method. So I have added a payment method of M-Pesa. Okay, now if you want to add you want to post an advertisement of selling or buying crypto with Tanzanian shilling, as usual you have to open the app. Now click on P2P trading. You'll see different menus here down: home, orders, ads, and profile. So click on ads. Once you click on add, I have one advertisement here, so I'll have to add another one. Adding an advertisement, you have to click on a plus sign here upward. So click on plus sign here. Once you click on plus sign, you can create advertisement based on buying or selling. So remember, I transferred my USDT, so I will post an ad of selling my USDT. So here I will have to select an asset, which is USDT. Then I will have to change fiat. I want to receive my fiat in Tanzanian shilling. Then you can place a price type. Maybe you want the price to be fixed or floating. For my side, I would like to write a fixed. So I want to sell my USDT, each one by 200. So 2,500. So then it will so since I want to sell my USDT, you must click here on sell USDT. Then my price will be fixed. Then I will have to write here 1 USDT will be 2,500 Tanzanian shilling. Then I will go to next. On my next here, so you have to select the total amount of USDT you want to sell. So I'll say I want to sell all of them, so 100 USDT. So I'll have to put a limit. A limit will be from, maybe right here, from 10 up to, no, the limit, the order limit here you are writing in T shilling. So maybe if someone have 10,000, I can say even 2,500, from 2,500 up to 500,000. So I will have to add here, add payment method. Since I've added M-Pesa, so I'll select M-Pesa here. Then I will go on, I will also edit on payment time limit. 15 is okay. You can also change it if you want. You can write 15, 30 or 45. So I'll write 15 minutes. Then I will go on next. So minimum should be less than, okay, so here the minimum should be 6900. So I'll go on next. So here you have to write terms, though it is option, but you can write some of the terms and condition of someone to buy your token. So you can also create auto reply message, maybe thank you message. Everyone, any person who buy coins from you, once you finish buying, then this message will be sent to him, that thanking him. So you can write anything. Then you can also put some condition. Maybe you don't want to sell your coins with someone who have not yet completed your KYC. But remember, this will reduce the exposure of your advertisement, so it's better you leave them. So you can also put a status that you are online or offline but publish manual later. You can say online. Then once you finish, you go and click here post. So once you click post, now we have posted our advertisement. Then you click here done. So simply this is how to post an advertisement, and the advertisement can be selling or buying. Thank you very much.